Pawan Kalyan Padala versus Srijadammu comparison video. Real name Pawan Kalyan is Pawan Kalyan Padala. Srija is Srija Dammu nickname. Pawan Kalyan is Pawan Kalyan. Srija is Srija Sweetie. Date of birth Pawan Kalyan is not available. Srija is 26 July 1997. Age Pawan Kalyan is approximately 23 years. Srija is 28 years. Birthplace Pawan Kalyan is Vijayanagaram, Andhra Pradesh. Srija is Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Profession Pawan Kalyan is Army Officer, Actor. Srija is actor, social media influencer. Height Pawan Kalyan is 5 feet 11 inches. Srija is 5 feet 2 inches. Weight Pawan Kalyan is 72 kilograms. Srija is 48 kilograms. Education Pawan Kalyan is graduate. Srija is B.Tech. Famous for Pawan Kalyan is Big Boss 9 Agni Pariksha. Srija is Big Boss 9 Agni Pariksha. Debut movie Pawan Kalyan is not available. Srija is not available. Debut television Pawan Kalyan is Big Boss 9 Agni Pariksha. Srija is Big Boss 9 Agni Pariksha. Year active Pawan Kalyan is 2025. Srija is 2025. Marital status Pawan Kalyan is unmarried. Srija is unmarried. Spouse Pawan Kalyan is not available. Srija is not available. Religion Pawan Kalyan is Hindu. Srija is Hindu. Nationality Pawan Kalyan is Indian. Srija is Indian. Zodiac sign Pawan Kalyan is Capricorn. Srija is Aquarius. Hobbies Pawan Kalyan is traveling, acting, fitness. Srija is watching movies, dancing. Instagram followers Pawan Kalyan is 632k. Srija is 321k. YouTube followers Pawan Kalyan is not available. Srija is 51.6k. Facebook followers Pawan Kalyan is 17.1k. Srija is 34.2k. Do like and subscribe. Comment your favorite one.